What up guys, so in this video we're going to be looking into the next data type, that is tuples or tuples. So let's get started. So same as list, we're going to be first giving it a name, let's say fruits, and then in list we started adding items by using this square braces, and then inside of it we wrote the items that we wanted to add. But in tuple we're going to use this round brackets, and then now we're going to start adding the item. So let's say mango, an integer, a float, and then a string having a number, this. Okay, same way, the way we get or access an item is by first writing the name of the tuple and then using the square braces and then giving the index of that specific item. So since we start counting from 0, so this is the 0, and this is first, second, and third. So let's say we want this number, so we're gonna add 2 instead of 3 because we start counting from 0 in PC. So now when we run, it's going to give us 9887.9809. So that's what it's going to print. Okay, now the only difference that a tuple and a list has is that tuples are immutable. That means we cannot add new items to tuples, and then we cannot remove an item from an existing tuple. So let's say if we can use this append function, which generally adds something to a list, and let's say if it adds something to this, so let's give this, and now let's say we want to print the fruits. Okay, so it's going to give an error saying tuple object has no attribute append. So that generally means that it has no attribute, and then you cannot add an item to a tuple. Okay, now let's see the remove, and then let's add something. Let's remove the mango. When we run, it's going to say the same, tuple has no attribute, remove, so which means that we cannot remove from a tuple. So the only way is by just overriding the tuple. So fruits, and then you just override saying apples, and then you print saying fruits, and then you only have apples. So things just got overridden, and then that's the only way you can change a tuple. So there's no other way. So that's basically it for tuple, and yeah, in my next video I'll be teaching you guys about dictionaries. Thanks for watching.